Welcome to Afan College. My name is Dave Rush and I'm the college manager. I'm now going to explain a few changes we have made for your safety whilst attending college. There are various hand sanitizer dispensers located around the college for your use. Screens have been installed at the reception area to protect reception staff, visitors and students. Students will not be required to sign in. Your attendance will be recorded on your class register. It is very important for the safety of yourself and others that all students vacate the college site immediately after your timetable session and do not linger on the college premises. There are various one-way systems that have been put in place throughout the college to minimise passing traffic. Signage is visible throughout the college, reminding you to keep your safe distance at all times. Bilingual signage can be found at various locations, providing information on how to reduce transmission. A grab and go service will be available, provided by our refectory staff. It is important that you stay with students that you've been bubbled with, and unfortunately there is no seating in any communal areas. If you require information on transport, please contact our student services team who will be more than happy to help. A booklet has been produced covering everything I have mentioned in this short presentation and is available to students on the Moodle system. There is no need to be concerned, and there is plenty of help and advice on hand. I can assure you that your safety is our #1 priority, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.